So once we have the lead, then what? When we're able to convert our leads into sales and they become clients, regardless if they're service-based clients or you're essentially selling products, because if you're selling products, you want repeat business, right? And so retention is your main focus. Hey, good morning, Conrad. And so when you actually start thinking of ways that you could retain your clients, and one of the best ways that you could actually do that is putting yourself in their shoes, is actually having your own app. And that's why I created appybuilder.com, because you could build your own app that basically does anything that you want it to do without having to code it from scratch, without having to essentially pay an agency to go and build it for 10 plus, 20 plus $1,000. And you can't even manage it after it's built, or it's difficult to essentially update, or there's limitations. Appy Builder solves all of that. And so when you look at a service-based business, especially like Custom Media Group, and we have our own website, we have our own app right in here that when you click on it, you create a free account. And once you sign into your account, you're actually able to come in and see essentially free marketing tips. You could see productions that we've done, different services. You could essentially come right in here and actually click on free marketing tips. You could click on the blogs and you'll be able to essentially see all the different blog articles that we have done. You could essentially come down and see these guys and more. So when you also come in and click watch our weekly marketing Zooms, you're able to essentially see all the different marketing calls that we do and have done. And you can see the most recent ones are right in there. And so our clients are able to have this app. They're able to, and think about this. If your clients, they're for the most part probably always on their phone or have their phone on them for the most part throughout the day. And when you think about brand awareness, if you could keep your brand in front of your audiences and your clients, if you're able to have your app on their phone where they see your logo, I mean, that's great retention, great awareness, and essentially it's something that is going to help the recognition of your brand. And so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen really quick because I want to share essentially a few different apps and concepts that you could actually use and apply. So let me go ahead and move my Zoom screens. Coming down, you're able to see that there's different templates that you're able to select and work within. You could see that it's easy to click and edit, so you could essentially preview your changes, and there's different apps for all different types of businesses, even if you have a store. So let me go ahead and log into this app, and let me go ahead and log in here. So this is an app being built by a personal trainer, and he is also going to be offering essentially courses that are going to be paid courses. And he also has these bands that he sells, and he's actually able to connect a store to his app. So now his clients and essentially customers are able to download this app. They're able to come in and see essentially social medias. They're going to be able to essentially come in and see essentially the calendar, things that he has on the events. And there's going to be essentially a book option for clients that want to book to work out with him if he wants that. You could meet our team. We haven't filled this out quite yet, but you're going to be able to see him, the ambassadors. You're going to have the shop section, about us, which simply just breaks down everything about the company, has videos. You're able to go to essentially workout tips and highlights and watch current and most recent videos that have been posted on his YouTube. And essentially we haven't added it yet, but we're gonna add a section that is going to allow customers and clients to actually pay monthly or for a lifetime access to have workout tips and videos on their phone. So that way, if I'm working out in the gym, if I'm a client of him, it doesn't matter if I'm with him or not, I could actually use his app and use the videos or use the guides that he put together. And with our systems, it makes it super easy to be able to do that. So again, being able to have your own app is a fantastic way to be able to retain your clients, and using appybuilder.com allows you to be able to build your own app without any coding, and you could completely customize it in real time, add any features, add media sections, add paid courses, add private portals, add anything you want to. I even have on our Appy Builder essentially a team management section, and I'm going to make a video on this, but so this is a way for me to see exactly what our team is doing. Blue means that it's essentially pending. Orange means that it's being worked on in the progress. The green shows that everything is completed. And I'm able to come in here and I'm able to see the different team members, and I'm able to essentially come right in here and essentially see everything was done for that day, and essentially we have our new task that is coming tomorrow. And so from team management, even logins for our clients. So one of the things that we're going to be activating is for our clients to actually see all of the reports, updates, and everything else that we're doing for them via their app. And they're only going to have access to it, meaning that other people aren't going to be able to see our clients' reports and information. Only our clients are going to be able to access that part of the app. And so Appy Builder allowed us to be able to do that. And that is a great way to not only manage our teams, but again, retain our clients, because especially in our industry, it's all about communication. What are you doing for me and why, and how is that helping my business grow? That's all our clients really want to know about for the most part. And so our app allows us to be able to do that. At the same time, businesses are looking for information. And so if we're able to basically put the videos that we're putting on our website, sending out in emails, but also have it in an app, it's just another great way to essentially retain our clients and add more value.